Hi, my name is Kevin. This is my sister.
Hi, my name is Abu.
Today we're going to make a volcano. Today we're going to erupt a volcano using vinegar and baking soda. You will need baking soda, a beaker full of vinegar, magmata ink, and a model volcano. This looks like the volcano has erupted before. We made this model before. I'll give you the link to the video we made in the description below. So first, get your magmata ink and put it in the volcano opening.
Okay,
Okay, I think that's enough. Put it here. Anna, put the cap.
Okay.
Now pour the vinegar.
And then...
Whoa.
Oh.
Stop! I think you added too much, Anna.
Yeah.
Now lastly, put the baking soda.
Can I please?
I'll put the baking soda, Anna, okay?
One.
Whoa! See, it started erupting. Just a sec. Anna, let's put some more vinegar.
No.
Okay.
Ini lama. Masih no. Oi.
See, now the volcano had erupted. Let's put this here. This happens because when an acid like vinegar and a base like baking soda react, they make a chemical reaction producing carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide launches the mixture out here into the plate.
Oh.
Here now this is not what happens in a volcano. A volcano has magma pressurized because of gas, and then after that the magma gets into an opening, which is the volcano, and that molten rock and mineral blasts out from the volcano, which we also known as lava. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, Smart Science Kid. Bye for now. See you soon.
Bye. What are you gonna do, Kevin?
Wow.
Can I put some more?
Yep. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, wait.
Hey, I was with the island.
Whoa. It has some pink to it. Sorry, magma to it.